Hey guys, I'm Ari.
Hey, I'm Char.
And today I wanted to film for you guys a fun vegan baking video. We decided to go with a delicious recipe of double chocolate chip marshmallow cookies.
Yeah, this recipe is from the Deliciously Ella cooking app. It's a great app if you're going plant-based or trying to go plant-based. Has tons of recipes and also has like fun stuff like yoga videos. But anyway, this recipe is so delicious. Everyone that we've made these cookies for loves these cookies. So stick around and we'll show you how we make them.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be in front of the camera showing you guys all the cool ingredients and mixing it all up, and Char is filming right now. So let's get started. Alright, so first up is definitely turn on the oven. We're going to go to 355. So 355. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to start with the flour. We've got 1 cup here and 4 tablespoons. Boom. And then we got a little bit of baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Done. And then just a pinch of salt. Okay, and then next up we have our coconut sugar, which is 1 cup. And the last dry ingredient is the cocoa powder, which is 6 tablespoons. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and stir that up a little bit. Alright, so next we have our wet ingredients. So this is 5 tablespoons of soy milk. You're also welcome to use almond milk or a different milk alternative. We have another 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Boom. And some yummy almond butter. We have about 2 heaping tablespoons of almond butter, probably even a little bit more here. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in. Trying to get those last bits of almond butter in. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix that up, get everything going. This recipe actually says it is pretty useful to just use your hands. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that at this point because you can tell the spoon isn't really working as well as it could. So let's just get into it. So Char here again, behind the camera. Just gonna add that sometimes the mixture comes out a little bit dry, so you can absolutely just add a bit more soy milk or whatever type of milk alternative you're using. So we're gonna add a little more soy right here, and that should help in combine it, because you want it to be this really nice kind of wet mixture. It's a pretty oily, wet mixture, and that's what you should be looking for. Alright, so now we have our batter. We're going to go ahead and add the yummy semi-sweet chocolate chips. Boom! And this is what makes it double chocolate, cocoa powder and semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm going to mix those up just a little bit. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to do some more mixing in a second anyway. So we're going to go ahead and just take these marshmallows and add some in. So now it's time to ball up some little cookie dough balls. And you can kind of do them like whatever size. I usually will do like around that that size in my palm. Maybe a little bit bigger, maybe like a tiny bit more. And we usually like to do around 2 to 3 marshmallows per cookie. So I'm gonna add one more to make it 2, just squish it in. Also, kind of cool is that Char actually came up with the marshmallow idea. The recipe actually called for sliced almonds, and Char and I are like not a fan of nuts in desserts, so we decided to add, or she had decided to add some marshmallows, and it literally makes the cookie, like, it's so good. It's absolutely amazing.
Thanks, Ari.
No problem, Char. All right, we got all our lovely little cookies ready to go in the oven. Let's put them in. There we go. And they're cooking for about 10 minutes. Here we go. All right, here's the cookies out of the oven, looking so delicious and chocolatey and gooey. They did take about 14 minutes, so just as a heads up, it kind of depends on how big or small you make your cookies, but we say about 10 to 14 minutes. All right, best time, taste test time. Look at these babies.
Yay, they turned out so yummy.
Still warm.
All right, I'm gonna go for the one in the middle.
All right,
With all that delicious and gooey marshmallow goodness. Woo, is that in focus? Hopefully.
There we go.
There it is. Okay. Enjoy for choice. Okay.
I think I'll go for this bad guy. Cheers.
Cheers. It's so good.
It's amazing.
I mean, the inside's just like gooey goodness.
I mean, I'm sorry we're talking with our mouthfuls, but
Yeah.
it's really good.
Chocolate.
Please make these cookies.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments how they come out. We will be doing more baking videos very soon. And also let us know in the comments what other kind of baking videos you guys want to see.
Yeah, thanks so much for watching again. Please like and subscribe because it's always going to support our channel. Yeah, stay positive.
Stay positive, guys.
See you later. Bye.